The Testo fever detection function allows you to detect increased human temperatures quickly and efficiently. The temperature is measured on the face, and an alarm is triggered if the warmest spot exceeds a certain limit value. For the setup, first set the average value and tolerance in the thermal imager. The mean value is updated after every completed measurement. The thermal imager can also be used semi-stationary via the HDMI interface. The checks can now begin. In order to obtain correct readings, the subjects must maintain a distance of 1 to 2 meters from the thermal imager and briefly stand still. In addition to this, spectacles must be removed for a correct measurement. Green says everything's okay. Any surgical masks must also be removed, otherwise the thermal imager will not recognize the face. The same applies to head coverings. Please remove these also. In the case of a red signal, the person must be separated for a closer examination by medical personnel. Further checks can now be carried out.